Hello guys, merhaba. Today we are going to continue our materials from our book Yağmur Türkçe Ders Kitabı 1. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, today we are going to learn chapter 25, Nerelisin, or in English it means where are you from. First, in this chapter, we are going to learn name of countries in Turkish. Now, let's listen some name of countries in Turkish.
Türkiye,
Çin,
Brezilya,
Rusya,
Nijerya,
Almanya,
Japonya,
Fransa,
Kenya,
Amerika Birleşik Devletleri.
Okay, good. Now, let's together listen and repeat how we pronounce it in Turkish.
Türkiye,
Türkiye,
Çin,
Çin,
Brezilya,
Brezilya,
Rusya,
Rusya,
Nijerya,
Nijerya,
Almanya,
Almanya,
Japonya,
Japonya,
Fransa,
Fransa,
Kenya,
Kenya,
Amerika Birleşik Devletleri.
Amerika Birleşik Devletleri. Great job! Thank you for your attention. We are going to continue this chapter in the next video. Bye bye!